Hello lovely people, welcome to another English lesson. Today I am Priyanka Chaudhary. In this lesson we are going to practice speaking in past tense. Here I am gonna ask you a list of questions in past, and these all questions will be revolving around your past events, experiences and habits. In order to practice speaking in past, you have to answer these questions. So are you guys ready? Without any further ado, let's begin. When did you wake up today? What did you have in your breakfast? How was your day at your work? When did you return from your work at home? How was the weather yesterday? When did you last go on a vacation? Where did you go and what did you do? Who was the last person you had called? Where did you last go for shopping? What did you buy there? What did you eat for dinner last night? Who cooked it for you? Was it delicious? When did you last do something exciting or dangerous? What did you do on your last birthday? When did you last go to the cinema? What movie did you watch? Was it good? Which subjects did you enjoy the most when you were in primary school? What was the most interesting thing that happened to you last year? When was the last time you lost something? What was it and where did you lose it? What was the last book that you read and how long did it take you to read it? Where did you spend most of your time last weekend? When did you last learn something new and what was it? What was the last event or celebration you participated in? How did you celebrate it and with whom? What was your favorite childhood memory? Did you have any argument recently? If yes, with whom? When was the last time you attended a wedding? How was the ceremony? Did you practice speaking English today? If yes, how? When did you complete your schooling? What did you first do after getting up in the morning today? Did you subscribe to my channel? And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed answering all these questions and you practice speaking in past tense as well. If it is so and you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any English learning content in future. Till then, bye bye. Take care.